Metro Boomin want some more, nigga.
Welcome to the video. As you see by the title, this is a review of the Ghost Lifestyle Cinnamon Cereal Milk Whey Protein. Super sounds great. Got the box here. Let's crack this bad boy open. If you're new to the channel and you don't know about Ghost is a super nice, high quality, very different pre-workout kind of brand. They create their style on different styles of different restaurants, cereal milks, flavors that are original to them, and they're fantastic for what they do and what they try to bring out. All right, so let's open this bad boy and see what we got inside. Label. Packing slip. Looks just like the last one I had. I had the peanut butter cereal milk, was the last flavor I had. Super clean. The artwork and design on the labels is second to none, and it's gonna taste great. So cinnamon toast crunch is my favorite cereal. Absolutely love it, and gotta pair this with this tonight. I'm gonna head to the gym now, and then I'm gonna give you guys a taste test post gym session and let you guys know what this bad boy tastes like. So let's head on to the gym now, and then let's crack this bad boy open when we get back. So just got home from the gym. We're gonna unbox this thing, crack it open. Smells good. Scoop is already on the top. Look at that. Look at that. Always make my protein with just straight water. Scoop. Shake it up. You guys know the drill. See what it tastes like. It's really good. The cinnamon is actually not even overpowering the whole protein in the cereal milk, so surprising me. Got a little vanilla-y taste to it for me. Pretty good. I'll give it a solid 8.5 out of 10. Yeah, 8.5 out of 10. It's pretty good. I mean, nothing spectacular. It tastes exactly what it's supposed to taste like: cinnamon cereal milk. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, again, my favorite cereal, but it tastes really good. I'll give it 8.5. I'm a hard critic, so that's why I say 8.5. And if I had to rank it, I'd say it's actually better than regular cereal milk and peanut butter. So yeah, this is my new favorite. So super good. 8.5 out of 10. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Please check out my other ones with the fruity cereal milk, the peanut butter one, the regular cereal milk, all linked below. And yeah, subscribe to the channel. Check out my other summer training videos, and welcome. Ghost Lifestyle Cinnamon cereal milk, 8.5 out of 10. Go pick it up. It is the bomb.